So what is the capacitance? Capacitance of system will be C1 is equal to F naught A by D. And now there it was, I brought two conditions. Huh? There's a third condition, isolated charged capacitor connected to another capacitor, then we pulled. Now here capacitor connected to cell, then I'll pull that apart. So the plates, so let it be like this. Now it's there in SE or Ma. The last, that one. So some is really trying to introduce the basic ideas very systematically, that one. So here the separation 2D, capacitance will change. Now tell me, like, what parameter of capacitor is fixed here? The potential, no, because directly connected across the cell, the potential drop will be fixed here. Then I'm going to vary capacitance. So what has to change now? The charge is going to change. The charge will be some other charge, we don't know how much. We'll let it be Q2. So first we'll calculate Q1. So what is Q1 from the diagram? Q1 equal to there's the initial. O will increase this separation. External agent, E is going to apply force. So let me write somewhere like this. Just indicate somewhere that one in the diagram. Now let's come for looking at the first diagram. Q1 is equal to C1 into E F naught A D. Initial energy also will calculate. U1 is equal to C1 into E square by 2. Let me use this formula. F naught A E square by 2D. Similarly, what is the charge? Q2 equal to C2 into E F naught A by 2D. Because what is separation? C2 is equal to how much? C2 equal to F naught A by 2D. So final energy will be (2D). So that 2 into 2D will become 4D. Keep it here now. Look at energy in the capacitor got decreased, no? Tell me, like, the external agent will it do positive or negative work? It does positive work. So it will gradually pull the plates. So it will also spend energy, no? The mechanical work done by external agent, and also here what happened, the potential in the capacitor got decreased. So definitely we have to search for the heat generated. Okay, how to get the work done by external agent? So again, it's a very best conclusion which I am putting here. Work done by external agent should be equal to mod of delta U. This is true in all cases, whether energy decreases or increases. What is that magnitude? Equal to change in potential of capacitor. There's a, you can say, golden, like a help for you straight away. You can see it's a previous problem also everywhere. Whenever external agent comes, no, this you can apply. Provided what when there should not be any other forces acting other than external force and electrostatic force. I'm making that condition clear. So this everything should be equal to how much? No, epsilon naught A E square by 4D only. And it does positive or negative work? It does positive work, no, because I'll pull the plates apart. My muscle energy will decrease, no. So here what happened? My muscle energy got decreased and energy in capacitor got decreased. So where do that energy gone? Shall we say heat generated? I think we should not be more emotional. We should try to look at the cell also. So let's see that. Look at the charge of a plate. Earlier Q1, Q2, no? So look at the Q2. Q2 is less than Q1 from the data. Q2 less than Q1. So some charge left, no? So a charge will flow like this. Like this, a charge will be flowing. Now look at the charge. Charge enters positive terminal, no? So what that battery does, it will consume energy, no? The battery Consumes, not supplies, it consumes, it stores, you can put it here. Okay, let's go for the value of Q. So what is the expression for Q should be equal to? Q should be equal to, I'll take help of plate, Q1, Y minus Q, charge left, no? Or no sir, I'll assume charge entered. You solve it, you'll get negative, then you have to change polarity. So the value of Q should be equal to epsilon naught, this E will not be there, epsilon naught AE by 2D. Is it okay? Directly I'm substituting the value. This much of charge will flow here. Okay, let's write the equation. Initial energy, work done by excitant, work done by the cell should be equal to UF plus heat. I'm bringing both here. We earlier had individuals, no? I'm just bringing the both. Even excitant and even the cell does work. Again, this is a generalized form of the equation. Yeah. Now we'll write all the steps one by one. So this will be epsilon naught E square by 2D, work done by excitant. It does positive work. Work done by cell. Cell does negative work. Q into E. Final potential of circuit. This is UI. So this I'll write symbol again. Epsilon naught E square by, this is 40. Check all the values. Now look at the H. So substitute the value of Q. Substituting this will be how much we are getting? 0. So therefore, no ET is generated circuit. So now will you conclude this? Sir, year after, sir, no heat generated. No, we can't take it for granted. Every problem we are supposed to analyze. Earlier set of problems by moving switch, heat was generated, we discussed. Now here open, we are discussing some set of numericals where no heat is generated. So you can't generalize again. Okay, sir, thank you. Here afterwards, no heat will be generated whenever. No, you can't say that every numerical you are supposed to work out. So here what will happen? You can see the action agent. Can you give that energy to cell? Consumes means not lost. Consumes here, consumes or stores. This word again, you have to interpret properly. So what this cell consumes or stores, it is preserved. It will preserve that energy. So now I'm more energetic, my mechanic energy. So can I give it to the cell? Yes. And the cell, what happen, will store. Whenever I want, I can take it back. No? So like that, if you see some earlier, some 1 year back, advertisement used to come, like in especially the star movies, that one, where the equipments, the physical exercises, what you do with that, what happen, you can generate electricity to your home. The equipments is what they've designed. Little bit they're costly. Maybe in future, the cost will come down where you just morning get up and do half an hour physical exercise. So what is the physical exercise? Moving the plates apart, you can see here. And what happen, the energy will get stored in the cell. Okay, got this. This is not lost. So don't think that negative sign lost. This is something useful. So I'll add to heat generated means it will be lost.